Welcome to our Semantic Tech. The highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 lineup is set to launch in mid-January, and alongside technical details and leaked press images, the prices of these devices have also become a subject of interest. In this video, we'll delve into the expected prices of the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra models in Europe. Rumors from South Korea recently surfaced, suggesting that the prices of the Galaxy S24 models might not differ significantly from their predecessors in the Galaxy S23 lineup, which debuted in early 2023. Here's the pricing information we've gathered. The base model of the Galaxy S24 with 128 gigabytes of storage is expected to have a price tag of €899, while the 256 gigabytes variant is priced at €959. Moving on to the Galaxy S24 Plus, the model with 256 gigabytes of storage is projected to start at €1,049, while the variant with 512 gigabytes of storage will cost around €1,229. Comparatively, the Galaxy S23 in early 2023 started at €949 for the 128 gigabytes model and €1,099 for the 256 gigabytes model. The Galaxy S23 Plus, on the other hand, had an initial price of €1,199 for the base model with 128 gigabytes of storage. However, there's an interesting twist in the pricing for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. According to the available information, the Galaxy S24 Ultra with 256 gigabytes of storage will come with a higher price tag, around €1,449. In contrast, the Galaxy S23 Ultra with 256 gigabytes of storage had a starting price of $1,399 at the beginning of 2023. Notably, the new Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to feature 12 gigabytes of RAM as standard, whereas the Galaxy S23 Ultra with the same storage capacity had 8 gigabytes of RAM as standard. For those considering the Galaxy S24 Ultra with 512 gigabytes of storage, the price is expected to be approximately €1,559. In comparison, the Galaxy S23 Ultra with the same storage capacity was priced at €1,579 at the beginning of 2023. It's worth noting that these prices may vary across different regions in Europe due to local differences and factors like taxes. In summary, the general trend suggests that the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus models may be slightly more affordable compared to their predecessors, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to be slightly more expensive. Keep in mind that these prices are based on available data, and final prices may vary depending on your location. The official launch of the Galaxy S24 lineup is set for January 17th next year. For more updates on this and other topics, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care and stay well. Peace out.